Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to install EVNG in VMware workstation. So, so first we will go to create a new virtual machine. Click on here and click typical recommended. Next, install disk file image ISO. Here we browse the ISO of EVNG. We, I have downloaded already, so I'll select the EVNG ISO file, open. Now click next. We'll provide the virtual machine name. Click next. Browse path kept as it is, don't change. Click next. The path user admin document already exists. Okay, so we need to delete first. Browse and click next. Maximum disk, select disk size 100 GB. uh, Click 150 GB set. Okay, and split virtual disk into multiple files. Keep it as it is. If you want to select the store virtual disk as a single file, you can select this. Okay, we'll go with this. Click next. Now customize hardware. uh, Hard disk 150 GB, memory 4 GB, network adapter we have kept as NAT. If you want to change it, go to customize network adapter. We select bridge and add, finish. One is bridge network, and let's delete this. And memory we select 16 GB. Processor 4 processor of 2 core. You can select if you have 16 core, you can select 8 processor and 4 core. Add, we have selected, and now close, finish. Now we EVNG machine has started now, and now we will install it. Now EVNG is booting now. password expiry information changed. It's trying to connect. Now this prompt come and click English, click enter, hit enter and done. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes, continue, and this process will take some time. Pause the video and come back to you soon. Now it is started around 10 minutes. uh, we will enter the EVNG login. You can see the login default root and password is EVE as given above. So we'll enter the root and password is EVE. Hit enter and root password, type the root password. Okay, enter EVE, enter. Okay, type the stored hostname for the system EVNG, keep it as it is. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, DNS, click OK, don't change, go with DHCP. Okay, type hostname, no hostname, click OK. Direct connection, yeah, yes, okay. It is starting now. It will take some time. Now it's came. Click type password, root, login, password EVE. Now we have shut down this and open it again. Pass shut down -h minus. Now power on this virtual machine again.